For all three of you, season 84 was your last season playing for the UAAP. Mamu and Tyler, your seniors, and Clint, you're off to a different league. How did it feel like for you to be on the court knowing that it would be your last time with the Blue Eagle?
Well, last time we were on the court as Blue Eagles, we were crying kasi talo kami. But looking back, it was an honor and a great privilege to represent the Blue and White.
Obviously, didn't go our way, but that didn't take away from, the pride that we felt representing our school. Sometimes that's just how life goes and you have to move on.
Ikaw naman, Clint. Season 84 was your first and last season. How was that experience for you?
Sobrang daming ups and downs, especially winless kami, 0-14 eh. Pero at the end of the day, madami din naman lessons na nakuha dun sa season na yun.